There you go. I don't know whether you noticed that or not, but I only picked 4 of those 6 pins. I did try it a little bit earlier, and don't know if you can pick that up on the key. It's supposed to be a 6-pinner. It's got 2 really high cuts at the end, but I only picked 4 of those pins. There it is. It's all open. Close that up. Before I ruin it. There it is. That's the first one I've come across where I've only actually picked the first 4. Alrighty. Now what I have is a nice little red one, and I was going to do a video on what happens to it when you either turn the plug the wrong way or snap the key retaining lock up with no key in it, as we've seen a million other times. But guess what? I ended up doing it before I could actually get it on video. Now I don't know if you can see it in there or not. Right in the top there, there's a little spool hanging out. So I've already cracked it with the hammer, so we'll just rip it open and we'll have a look in it. Harder to crack it open than what was pick it. There we go. Unbelievable. There we go. Alrighty. There it all is in there. Still together. Spin this out. I'm just going to find what I did with it. Oh, I'm going to have to use this. Get rid of some of the cake I was eating just before. Everything's just locked up and stuck everywhere. What's we got? One, two, three, four. Oh, there's 5. 4. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there it is. 6. What we got? 3, 5 spools. 1. Not 100% sure what that is. Yeah, you can get a good look at that. It looks like it's got some small serrations in it, but nothing too bad. Can't really feel them with my fingernail or anything. And yeah, that's what happens when you've... There you go, there's another key. Another pin in there. Oh, and another one. Falling out. That's why your lock's pretty much useless. Alright, thanks for watching.